In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best VR headset available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the VR headset list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the VR headset mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Pimax Crystal VR Headset 12K QLED Display. Experience the pinnacle of virtual reality with the Pimax Crystal VR Headset 12K QLED Display. Boasting an impressive 12K resolution and QLED technology, this all-in-one headset delivers stunning visual fidelity and immersion like never before. With 6 degrees of freedom, 6 DUF, and eye tracking capabilities, it offers precise tracking and realistic interactions in the virtual world. Compatible with the metaverse and Steam VR, it opens up a world of endless possibilities for gaming, exploration, and creativity. Number 4, VR Shinecon 6.0 Virtual Reality Glasses. Step into a world of immersive entertainment with the VR Shinecon 6.0 Virtual Reality Glasses. Designed for both iOS and Android devices, these stereo helmet headsets offer a captivating 3D VR experience. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or exploring virtual environments, its comfortable design ensures hours of uninterrupted use. Dive into a virtual world of endless possibilities and let your imagination run wild. Number 3, Original Pimax Crystal VR Headset. The original Pimax Crystal VR headset combines cutting-edge technology with unparalleled performance. Featuring a 12K QLED display and advanced eye tracking, it delivers breathtaking visuals and precise interactions. With support for the metaverse and Steam VR games, it offers endless opportunities for gaming, socializing, and exploration. Immerse yourself in a virtual world like never before and experience the future of entertainment. Number 2, BOBOVR Z6 Wireless Virtual Reality Glasses. Experience virtual reality on the go with the BOBOVR Z6 Wireless Virtual Reality Glasses. Compatible with smartphones ranging from 4.7 to 6.5 inches, this headset offers a portable and convenient VR experience. With built-in stereo mic and support for gamepads, it provides immersive audio and precise controls for an enhanced gaming experience. Step into a world of virtual reality wherever you are and explore new dimensions of entertainment. Number 1, Virtual Reality VR Glasses 3D Headset Bluetooth Devices. Transform your smartphone into a virtual reality powerhouse with these VR Glasses 3D headsets. Featuring Bluetooth connectivity and adjustable lenses, they offer a comfortable and immersive VR experience. Compatible with a wide range of smartphones, they provide versatility and convenience for all users. Whether you're gaming, watching movies, or exploring virtual worlds, these VR glasses provide endless entertainment possibilities. Step into the future of immersive technology and unlock new dimensions of fun.